Hey, what's up YouTube? Young Flux for another beat cook-up video. Today we're going to be cooking up a guitar style beat, kind of a punk pop fucking emo rap type beat. Let's get this going. So I already have a sample chosen out here. We have two samples here. One with this and then another similar one with the guitar. So those are the two we're going to be using. Let's add some drums. These samples were just taken off a splice, by the way. Fuck. Okay. What am I doing? Alright, so first thing we're going to do here is find our drum sound. So I'm going to choose a kick and a snare sound first for this one. Looking for the RKM kit here to use one of the kicks from there. Something like this, something pretty punchy but not too like distorted. Alright, and so for this beat I'm going to be doing a kick snare pattern, something like this. The whole way through. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Something like that, right? What's going on here? Why is this? I don't need the channel rack that big. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna add a hi-hat pattern. I'm actually gonna add two hi-hat patterns. So in this second hi-hat pattern, I'm going to right click and open up the graph editor, and I'm going to click the panning tab, and I'm going to pan every single note left to right alternating. So I usually do all the left first, and then I switch and do all the right. I usually try to click about in the bottom, about in the middle. Alright, so next thing we're going to use is an open hat. I'm going to put the open hat there, and there, and there. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is add a couple presets to this mix. So these presets that I'm using are from my preset kit that I just uploaded to my website. The kit is listed for $4, but you can download it for free if you enter your email on the website. So just go to youngfluxbeats.com and you can find the beat kit over on the sound kits page. And if you click the little arrow, and you can click the free download option. I know it says it's $4, but if you do that, you can download it for free. So enjoy that, all these presets for free. So this first one, this preset is Black Magic. This one I use on my hi-hats usually. Use this one for the kick. This one for the snare. And I'm actually going to layer this snare with another snare sound as well. And I'm going to alternate them between each other so it adds more bounce to the beat. So I think I'm going to choose a snare sound. Something a bit more subtle like this. And then I'm going to put it on every second one. Like that. I'm going to put that one on a different channel, turn it down a bit, and put a different preset on it. Alright, I'd say that just about does it for the mix on there for now. So let's split this by channel and arrange our beat. I'm going to put some drums for the intro here, and then we're going to start by reducing them. So I'm going to take out the hi-hats. At least the faster ones. I'm going to leave the secondary ones here. I'm going to take out the open hats. Alright, let's work with the melodies a bit here. Something like that, and I'll put a riser in. And for the verses, it's going to be similar to the intro here, right? So we're going to have something like this. Then we're going to also have the snares. We'll have the open hats hit as well. So pretty much everything except for the kick. And then we'll drop another part of the hook in there. So far we're at 1:40. So let's do another copy of the verse and the hook. Takes us to 2:40. Let's do an outro. So we've got 3 hooks, 2 verses. Both verses are the same. But I'm wondering if I make unique, if I can reverse these, it'll sound alright. I always try. Because sometimes it just randomly sounds fire as fucking reverse. I always gotta at least try it. definitely kind of like a Halloween style guitar vibe here. Alright, so just to make the hooks set aside from the verse a bit more, I'm going to take an EQ here of this frequency, our bass frequencies here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to create an automation clip. And we're just going to ever so slightly on the parts with the hook, put it up a bit. It'll be something like this, up, up, and then back down. Okay, and then what we can do is we can cut there, there, and there. And then I can delete this. And then we can just copy and paste these ones for the rest of the beat. Like this. Alright, and that should just make the bass come in a bit harder on there. I got a YouTube comment suggesting that I do that actually, so thanks for the comments. Alright, so that's the whole beat, guys. Thanks, this was a quick one since the sample I found was a song starter, so I'm not going to take credit for that. But we made some fire drums on here. It's a fucking sick beat. I'd like to use this on one of my own songs maybe, but you know, I'll leave this for free for you guys to see what you can cook up. So thanks so much for watching. Come back next time. And make sure to like and subscribe to know when the next one's out. Peace.